So one of the largest free streaming applications available both for your Amazon Fire TV devices and Android TVs is now going to be reportedly shut down. Now this is pretty shocking news because the application had a massive library of movies, lots and lots of very popular TV shows, but for whatever reason, Amazon have now decided to shut this application down. Now, this was announced today on the Streamable website, and lots of other news websites have also covered this. But let me just give a big shout out to Doc who actually told me about the news earlier on today. Now, as you can see here, it says that Amazon is reportedly preparing to shut down freevee as the Prime Video ad tier makes service redundant. Now, lots of you may not know that freevee, which was originally branded as IMDb TV, was bought out by Amazon a long time ago, and it is actually a very, very popular streaming application because it does have lots of those, older content which many people still appreciate. Now, it says that according to new information, Amazon no longer sees the need for having two ad-supported streaming services now that Prime Video also carries adverts. Now, Prime Video was always ad-free because it was a premium service, but as you guys know, recently they announced that they're now going to start introducing ads into that application unless you pay an extra $2.99 or an extra premium per month to avoid seeing those adverts. So definitely Amazon just being more greedy, trying to charge you for services that you'd already paid for and now forcing you to see ads unless you paid that extra premium price. Now, I'd be interested to know, the guys watching this video, how many of you do actually subscribe to Prime Video as a video service, or how many of you just use Prime as a delivery service and don't really care about the video features at all? Do leave me that comment below. Now, one question that may be asked is, why would Amazon shut down a free ad-supported streaming service? And the article is saying that this is purely financial because the company wants to streamline its operations and it wants to reduce the cost of advertising on two separate services, especially when the same content or very similar content exists on both those services. So in terms of streamlining, in terms of minimizing, the same content on multiple services, you can see why it does make some sense to shut one of them down. And it also says that customer confusion also played a role in this decision to shut down freevee, as customers were confused as to which service was because both of them are now offering ads. Which one is the actual premium one? Which one is the free one? It says that Prime Video wants customers who are interested in free, but they think they can convert them into paid premium tier customers. Whereas another person told Adweek that they're not going to convert people from freevee because ultimately, as with many of these free streaming applications, people only use them because they are 100% free, typically don't require any kind of sign up or registration. Now, if Amazon plans that if they shut that down and they would encourage people to sign up for the premium tier in Amazon Prime, I do think that's going to be a tough sell, especially with the cost of living crisis, people trying to reduce the amount of money they're spending on entertainment and streaming services. I really can't see Amazon converting people from a free service and forcing people's hand to pay for a premium service. I personally can't see it, but do leave me a comment below. Let me know if you are somebody that enjoyed freevee and now the fact that it's going to be shut down, are you interested in paying for the premium Amazon Prime Video? And just before you go, guys, as you guys know, both of my applications in the Amazon App Store, the tdoctoruk App Killer and the tdoctoruk Cache Cleaner, right now if you search for these applications, if I just type in tdoctoruk, let's search for that. So although both my applications show here, if I try to do more info, both of them at the moment are coming up as unavailable. Now, I've been reaching out to Amazon. I sent them a couple of emails and they're just not responding. Now, I would recommend that if anybody has purchased these applications and you now can't install them, definitely reach out to Amazon support or Amazon chat and tell them that what's wrong with these applications. They were working before, you were able to install them before, what's wrong with them? And if they give you any kind of pushback, then just demand that you want your money back because you've paid for something that Amazon was selling and now for whatever reason you can't access that application anymore. So if they're not going to fix it, then I'll definitely recommend you guys go ahead and demand a refund because I really can't see what they're doing and they're definitely not telling me why they've made my applications unavailable. So do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the freevee application being shut down. Also, let me know if you guys can still see these applications in the Amazon App Store or if they're now also showing unavailable for you. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.